Mark Colbert, Speedokote Finish Network. So we got this older like 90s Corolla with us today. Customer actually decided to prep it themselves. It came out really smooth. I'm actually really impressed. We're gonna be doing about 2 coats of the Speedokote Jet Black base, which covers really well. All this gunk we got going on here, it'll cover all that up really nice. And then after that's said and done, flashed off, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the SMR 1100 European Clear. Wraps up for the Corolla. For a bang up budget job, I'm super happy with it. The gloss came out really sweet. Overall, really good job. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, do videos every week.